If you love roast vegetables as much as I do, then you're going to love this little trick. I've got a gorgeous tray of rainbows here. So a combination of red, yellow and green capsicum, some pumpkin, I'll leave the skin on the pumpkin, some sweet potato and some red onions. Also, we can't forget carrots. I love how sweet they are. So I'm going to take the tops off. I'm leaving the skin on. I've given them a good wash. And then I'm going to cut them into small chunks. Now, roast vegetables, just roasted with salt and olive oil, fantastic. But to really give it an extra pop of flavour, why not add a little curry paste to your oil? So on with the carrots. In a bowl, I'm going to add a good glug of olive oil. And then you could add any type of curry paste you like. I'm using a yellow curry paste today, but there's no reason you can't do this with green curry paste, red curry paste, rendang, even massaman has so much flavour. This one's fantastic because it's got no preservatives at all in it. It's got all the delicious things that you find in a yellow curry. Turmeric, galangal, shallots, beautiful, beautiful flavours, and it smells so good. So after you've mixed it into your olive oil, we're going to drizzle it over our vegetables and we're just going to roast them in the oven. Be sure to give them a really good massage so everything is coated in that aromatic Thai yellow curry paste into the oven, and then we're going to roast them until they're tender. I wish you could smell this. It smells fantastic, and how good do they look? Really caramelised and cooked down. Now, I would serve this with some simple barbecue meats or fish, a bowl of rice, just right. This is a fantastic way to jazz up roast vegetables.